Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. In today's video, we will talk about HelpScout and we will compare it to Front, so we can discover if HelpScout provides an ideal collection of tools that will help your business stand out in enhancing your sales and giving better experiences to leads and visitors. But before we go any further, don't forget that softwaretrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into HelpScout. Regardless of the size of your business, HelpScout aims to deliver excellent customer experiences to increase scalability and profitability, helping your products and services exceed your customers' expectations. With this in mind, HelpScout uses software tools to serve people in the most helpful way possible. Satisfying customers is this company's primary goal, and their services are vastly used from small businesses to startups and nonprofits. Customer satisfaction is a cornerstone for HelpScout and a value that differentiates them from its competition. Customers expect interaction options, and HelpScout equips you to deliver them. Your customers can interact via self-service docs, live chat, or proactive messages, moving beyond the inbox. HelpScout can be as simple or complex as needed. With features like workflows, tagging, custom fields, and reporting, HelpScout can handle even the most complex requests. Front offers some more features outside of their shared inbox, but it's still a restricted offering. All HelpScout plans include average response time, ticket volume by channel and time of day, and more. You can create custom reports to go deeper into something. Front only generates reports on higher tier plans. You can also get started with HelpScout in minutes. In case of questions, you'll have access to their top-notch support team and a wealth of self-service resources. Despite having more capabilities, HelpScout frequently outperforms Front in setup, ease on sites like G2 and Capterra. Reviewers at Capterra ranked HelpScout higher than Front in crucial aspects like setup, customer service, and overall performance. HelpScout offers email and chat support 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, and semi-weekly live HelpScout classes. They also feature an extensive information base for self-directed learners. Front, on the other hand, is great for personal and shared email. Front may be ideal for you if having your personal and work email in the same tool is essential. In addition, HelpScout allows for team communication and customer support via shared inboxes. According to HelpScout criteria, personal email offers no value to shared inboxes and can confuse your customers. If you like what you hear about HelpScout, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Now that we saw how you can trust a service like HelpScout, let us review what makes this platform so useful for your company. To start, whether you have 2 or 200 people, you may share email inboxes to keep everyone updated. Thus, you'll be able to move swiftly while still offering personal service. Second, you can keep your customers informed by incorporating help articles on your website. Then, using the tool called Beacon, you can deliver quick answers without leaving your website. Third, you can use chat to settle a problem or close a deal in real time. If no one is present, consumers are referred directly to email. Fourth, HelpScout's easy-to-read reports will let you manage your team and track their performance. In addition, this tool allows you to filter and export any necessary data quickly. And finally, you can connect to over 50 integrations and tools to improve your everyday processes. If you like what you heard about HelpScout, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our channel. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.